All right, everybody, welcome. I'm so excited for you to be on this. I'm speechless, to be totally honest with you. I don't even know exactly what I'm about to tell you, except for that I'm genuinely excited to share this with you. And we put a lot of effort into this, an incredible way, probably quadruple the amount of hours and time and energy. Skip that. It's definitely quadruple the time, energy, and so forth to make this add value to your life. Make it nice, make it smooth, make it intuitive, make it user friendly, all that stuff. Okay, everybody. So I just hope that you get the value out of this. And here's the thing: is that if you don't, please reach out and let us know. Pretty please, with sugar on top. We want to know, we want to help. That's what drives us. That's what gives us up every day, right? We believe truly in that. The more people that we can figure out how to help, the more it's going to benefit us. So we're doing. That's why we put this together and committed to the 4 times the amount of time to make it try to be hugely valuable, on purpose. Okay, it's because we believe in that. So what are we doing here? So I really want to jump into, what's going on here. Thank you again. But first, before we jump into it, why are you here? I just hope people that look at this right now, they ask themselves, if you got to this point right now, what, how did you get here? Okay, so hey, I've been in this spot, the one I'm about to describe, which is that I'm in a spot where something's frustrating. So I've been trying really hard and it's not working. I can see the light at the end of the tunnel, so on and so on, and blah blah blah. Right? You're at a spot where there's, I guess we'll call it pain for whatever reason. Just shoot it straight, right? Now, there's other folks that are in the process that are building. They're doing well and they want to do better. Okay, so that's another version of trying to crest another horizon, if you will, call it a pain point. But at the end of the day, please think about why you're here. Okay, and the reason that I think that that's important is because hopefully, I don't think focusing on that in terms of the sad side of it, but having it motivate us, right? So when we're in here, knowing that myself and my team put crazy amounts of energy in here to try to help this be valuable for you, is that if you're aware of why you're here, hopefully it can help you bridge that gap, right? So now the next part is to think about what's possible. Okay, now we put insane amounts of effort into this. So I hope that you see the possibility here. We're going to literally walk you through figuring out who you are and who your favorite customer likely should be, how to confirm that they're out there, how to add value to their life, and so on and so forth. With, I think there's 11 tools that you can download. I mean, I don't know how many videos there are in here exactly, but I think it totals somewhere around 6 hours the last time I counted. So I just want to, and I could be off, but it's a lot of time and it's a lot of intentional effort, not to mention just the thought process to go behind it in a methodical order to try to help each one of you. So the possibility is huge. Wait till you get to the video on, does Zillow have all the attention? When you get to that one, if your jaw doesn't hit the floor and you're just basically angry with, oh my gosh, I need to do this, then you might want to check your pulse, because you might not even be alive. Like, it's crazy stuff. Okay, I hear people complaining every day about Zillow. Maybe that's you, maybe it's not. But at the end of the day, just in that one video and the slides that I share in there shows you that who cares if Zillow has some attention? Who cares what Zillow's doing? There's other ways. They're right in front of our faces, and we invite you to jump on board and check them out. So now, so we've talked about why you might be here. We've talked about, what's potential on the other side of the bridge. And so at the end of the day, this thing here, this is the bridge potentially for you, right? And it's not going to be for everyone. Some people are going to look at this and they're going to say, dude, nice try, but nah, I'm going to move on to something else. But for others, I mean, if this helps one person, we win. Okay. Hopefully it helps way more than that. But at the end of the day, there is a path here. It was very, very, very intentionally created. It's worked with dozens of other people. This is the first time we've ever shared this in this format, if you will. We've been doing this same process, but not having the map, if you will. So this is the first time we've really put it in a map. We've had the 4 steps before and the little wings that you're going to see here in a second, but we didn't put it in this format. So we're really excited to share this in the context that we've placed it in. And we're just, I can't tell you how pumped up we are to try to add value to you, your business, your peers, anyone around you. Okay, so next, before we jump into actually looking at the map, what I want to do is shrink my, you don't want to look at me anymore. Okay, I know that. So first off, what we want to do is we want to come over here to the bonuses. I'm going to shrink it just a smidge. I hope you can still see this. In order to unlock these, just so you know, you need to schedule a call. Okay, schedule a call with us. You can find out as of this today, we do have a free month of ads available. Now, that's great. I know it's going to go away. It's just whether or not when. So if you this is an interactive map, by the way, too. So as I record this, if it doesn't say free month of ads right here, it means that we've changed our bonuses. Okay. So I apologize if I'm talking about this and you don't see that. You can always reach out and call and ask what's going on, if it's still available or if it's blah, 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 right? You can do that. But as of right now, the biggest thing you need to do is jump on this right away, because as of right now, it just has a few days left. So go for that. The next part is that you see here, click to schedule a call. I also have another click to schedule a call one right here. 2 spots to do calls, and I scattered them throughout the entire map as well. Okay, so let's dive into the map really quickly. So again, we start here. This is sort of the hub. This is the start. Then we go with step 1. Okay, so what you're going to see here is that when there's a little unlock button, that means that there's something to download. Okay, so if you see this little arrow, what will happen is that we'll link you somewhere. Okay, so you can download that if you'd like. One thing that's very important here is that many of these need to be copied. You need to actually go to that page and then download it to yourself so that you can use it, because they've been locked, right? These are created in a Google Doc format. Many of them are. Some of them are not. But save them to your desktop so that you can play around with it and see what's going on there, okay? It's very, very important, okay? So now if you see the check mark, that means that there's videos, okay? So follow the chain of check marks to get to the video. Now how you expand this is you see these little dots right here. When there's a dot in the dot, I'll zoom in. Okay, you see the little dot inside the dot? That means you can expand it. Whereas this one, see how clever and cool that is? Okay, so that's what you do. All right, I'm going to go out a little bit. Now, as of today, what we've done, I'll move my head again. What we've done is we've put the videos right here. Okay, now these are also on YouTube. If you want to go into YouTube, you're more than welcome to. You can send this to YouTube by clicking on it. And what the advantage of doing that, so this is cool that it's in here, and I think it's really awesome, and we're pretty excited about it when we discovered it, to be honest with you. So, but the other side of it is that in YouTube, there's notes and there's other links to other videos and so forth. So we welcome you to go there as well and watch it in that format, because quite frankly, there's just more information for you when you get there. It will take you off of here, if you will. So it'll open another browser window, but nonetheless, really, really good stuff. So there's 2 ways to watch it. You can watch it right here by just clicking on it, or you can link it to your YouTube, okay? Now let me shrink that back up again. As you see, it has a little dot in the dot. So again, the locks are for when there's something to download, which is the arrow, and then the check marks, the green with that's for a video. Now follow the path to the video, okay? So the next thing is just to navigate through this. We encourage you to start at the top and go down. Okay, step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, and just go through. This is in order on purpose. Okay, this particular tool is a download. There's 2 parts of it, and there's a video for each. Okay, this one, here's the download, and then here's the video. Here's the download, And here's the video and a few talking points as well. All right. Now you can shrink them by clicking on that same spot, as you can see. Okay. If you ever have the opportunity where you would like to go back, if you're lost, let's say you expand out, some of these get pretty big. Okay. See, here's one. I think this one's a pretty big one. Watch this. This one expands way out, right? This is a lot of stuff in here. Okay. If you're ever having issues, if you want to just go back to the beginning, you can just click here. Okay, that's happened to me a few times today, but nonetheless, that's what's going on there. Is you can always go back to that spot. I'm going to shrink this back here and bring it back. All right, so again, the locks are downloads, and the check marks are videos. So check these out. This particular one right here, you can see the download is with the video. Okay, this little arrow is the one that you click to download it. So thank you so much. I hope that this is this is this is a lot of work for you guys. We genuinely hope you get a lot of value out of this. This is going to be the path from pain to pleasure or possibility for hopefully a lot of people. And we want your feedback. We really encourage you to interact in here and use these tools and reach out to us and let us know how we can improve them. These are the kind of things that we really enjoy. Our sample of current customers helped us get it this far, but we'd like you to help us get it to that next stage to help many, many, many more people. Again, so thank you so much. Please, we're right here. We're going to bring it back. So this is where we're at. We're at the start here video. Again, just please ground yourself, understand where you're at. If you're at a particular spot in your life, in your business, be intentional about how you think about this particular information, how it could help your business today, right away. These are quickly implementable strategies here, and we really encourage you to jump on that. So, and always just give us a call, schedule your free call. I mean, why wouldn't you? It's literally, it's incredible. So please do it. We want our calendars to be full, and jump on that wagon, and we'll talk to you soon. Thank you so much, and we'll see you on the next video. There's a whole bunch of them, everybody. So we'll see you on the next one. Thank you so much. Peace.